Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fabulous day. I am really excited. We already have, as you can see from the description, our April 2019, that's still so odd to say, April 2019 My Paper Box. This is the grand box. I love this subscription, you guys. It is so fun every month. For those of you that are not familiar, this is a personalized stationery subscription. As you can see, it does have my name, Nicki, on here. So every month in the grand, you receive various products, cards, notepads, usually a pop-up calendar. It's always a great variety of items that are personalized, which is fantastic. I think it is super cute, and I have definitely gotten back into the practice of actually sending snail mail and sending cards because of this subscription, and I love it. They do have a second subscription. They have a mini. Like I said, this is the grand. I will put pricing down below. The mini, you receive 3 personalized notepads, and like I said, we'll also put a link down below if you would like to sign up for the My Paper Box. It is amazing. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we're getting for April. Y'all, April already. So we are going to open it. Yeah, right here. Personalized stationery subscription box, April 2019. Whew, y'all. I swear this year is just going by so fast. Okay. I can already tell this is going to be an Easter theme, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay. Happy to see you. How cute. Okay. Yay. Oh my gosh. And this is how it comes. It is so cute. So let's see. There's a little card here. It says this box is made just for you. And it says, Nicki, welcome to April. This month we are here to celebrate Earth Day with you. Fun happenings this month. First, April Fool's Day. The 10th is Siblings Day. The 16th is Wear Pajamas to Work Day. The 21st is Easter Sunday. The 22nd is Earth Day. And the 25th is Take Your Kids to Work Day. I can already tell with these like pastel-y colors. Oh, I'm gonna love this, I know already. I love it every month, but I can just... So here we see some more of the items. So we will just start. I see a really, really pretty birthday card right here on top. So it has the pastel polka dots and says happy birthday. Super cute. Inside it says, it just occurred to me that we really are becoming old friends. So glad we are. That is cute. And then looking at the envelope, y'all, I'm loving this envelope because first of all, it's a super cute pastel-y pink, but it's like kind of see-through. So they're going to see, put through the flap like this. They're going to see happy birthday through the card, through the envelope. That is so cute. Are you kidding me right now? Super, super cute. Okay. And then we have, it says Nicki, and then it says my friends. Let's So let's see. Oh, this is cute. So this is like a really super cute and colorful little black book. So you can put their name, their birthday, their address, their email, phone number, different notes, just different things. So it's just pages for you to fill with information about your friends, family. This is a great way to keep up with birthdays, especially, and phone numbers, because I don't know about you guys, everything is stored in my phone. I honestly don't really know phone numbers. I just go to the contact. So this would be a great way to have a hard copy of phone numbers and other information. So that is super cute. I like that. And they were talking about Earth Day, so we have some stickers here, the recycle. Usually these are like you can use them like to seal the envelopes, the cards or something. That's usually what I will use them for when they come in these boxes. So that is cute. And then we have some more stickers. One here is Love Earth, so that's appropriate for Earth Day. Oh, Easter bunny, cute little mustache Easter bunny. And another one, he's cute too. Happy Earth Day. Oh, I really like that. So it's like a okay, so actually looking at it in closer detail, it almost looks like recycled type cardboard almost. On the the stick is a flat sticker. I'm saying the image looks like it would be recycled cardboard, which is so appropriate for Earth Day. So I like that. And then we have a little globe with a mustache. So that is super cute as well. And let's see. Then we have, it looks like we have some more cards. So let's take a look. This says Hipster Easter with that same cute little pink bunny. On the back it says Made with Love by Nicki. It is blank inside, so you can write whatever message you want. That is adorable. And I do love that they always send envelopes with every card. We have another, it's the same, it's the other picture. So again, you could use those stickers to seal these envelopes. Hipster Easter. And again, also on the back, Made with Love by Nicki. So these are adorable. So excited for those. And then let's see. Daily Horoscope Journal. All right, so I guess this seems like a lot more than 30 days though. Maybe not, but it just, to me, it almost seems like more than 30 days. But I guess, starting April 1st, you can open it up and there is a horoscope every day. You can write things down. So yeah, that's awesome. I love the color, the ombre. That's so pretty. And, oh, this is so cute. Okay. This is a notepad. I love getting notepads. I jot stuff down all the time. It does have my name on it, so it says Nicki. And then it's got our super cute little earthy mustache guy. And says, Save Our Planet, Recycle Me. That is so cute. So we're actually kind of getting like an Easter and Earth Day vibe here, or theme. And I'm really liking it. All of these products are so stinking adorable. Then we have a card. Another card here. It says Happy Earth Day with our little mustache guy. And then it says To Someone Even Hotter Than Our Planet, Nicki. That's cute. And again, that's just a way, you know, send a card to let someone know you're thinking of them. Hi, how, you know, have a great day. So I like that. And it looks like we actually got 2 of them. So 2 of the same. Again, with envelopes. And then I love this. This is, again, it has my name on it. The polka dots is very simple, but I like having longer notepads too. Especially like for making grocery lists or different things. So I'm glad to have this second notepad. Again, like I said, I reach for these all the time. So yay. I swear these boxes get better every month. And then we have our cute little, in the grand subscription, there is always a little pop-up calendar that sits like this on your desk. It is super cute. That says Nicki's April. And this is adorable for Easter and for Earth Day, because Easter is Sunday, April 21st, and Earth Day is Monday, April 22nd. They put the cute little guys there for those days. So that is adorable. And then on the back, it says Nicki's April's Nicki's April goals. So I could write some goals down and go for it. So this, I just love it. Again, this, like I said, I think this box just keeps getting better and better. I've loved every month, but this is just adorable. I love these pastels, and like I said, we have Easter and Earth Day, a birthday card. It's just great. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up, as well as pricing for both the grand subscription and the mini. The mini subscription, again, is the one you get the 3 notepads, personalized notepads. The grand box always has a variety, but it does usually include notepads, some cards. There is always one of these pop-up calendars, and then just some different types of things. Like we got the little black book and then the horoscope. So there are some variations every month on different things that they throw in as well, which I think is fabulous. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.